Today, I have decided to make a terrible decision. Whatever Instagram tells me to do, I do it. Let's see how much chaos you guys can create. So, at first, what I did is I gave a story. Oh my god, I gave a story where I wrote what I'm going to do, which even I haven't thanked. What? I have definitely thanked. What? English major? Seriously? Please do not make me regret this. And you guys are definitely making me regret it. Because if you see the poll, breakfast I have chose instant noodles or milk with ketchup. That's what. 70. Milk with ketchup was not even a breakfast. I just thought of it and let's give it. Why have you chose that? Don't want to have my breakfast milk and ketchup. That is terrible thing to do. You could have chose instant noodles and this could end very nicely, smoothly. Now the next poll I have to be very wise. Even after giving it a thought 10 times, I still decided to do it because I am as stupid as I look. So here's the milk. And I have some ketchup. Wow! And before anybody says anything, he is my emotional support because you guys did not help me. I think 1 spoon is enough for
डिप्रेशन। मैं डिप्रेशन में रहता हूँ हमेशा, अभी मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ।
I think it's not dark enough.
Wait, what?
We need some aesthetic as well. So we are going to give 1 more spoon. Now it's pink in color. Like almost pink in color. Please खाने में ना सही, देखने में तो अच्छा होना चाहिए ना? है कि नहीं? Okay. I'm not ready for this. I might as well have to do this. Do I have to complete it? पता नहीं मैंने सुबह उठ के क्यों ये डिसीजन लिया, but this is the worst decision in my life. I don't know what I was doing. In general, I don't like ketchup, and now with milk, and we have all day and more challenges to come. Second poll will be, should I read for 30 minutes any book or should I randomly learn a dance from Instagram and demonstrate it? I hope people doesn't choose the dance because it's been a while I haven't danced and I don't know what will I do. I don't want to dance. I would rather read for 30 minutes than dance. I will choose any boring book. It's fine as long as I don't have to dance. I have already posted it. You guys are evil. 82% of the people wants me to dance. It was worse than my first poll. I thought people might want me to study more than just dance. I don't want to dance. Only these 3 people wanted me to read for 30 minutes. The rest wanted me to dance. We are going to get a dance lesson from Instagram. Yay! And I'm also hoping they do not strike copyright claim to me. I'm going to change the song. So this will be the dance. I will dance. Yep, now I'm going to dance in that song and with that step obviously because it's learning and I will be dancing the easiest step that is alive in Instagram, or I can do anything. So first I'm going to learn how to dance this. I'm going to dance. Oh. So at the end we have changed our outfit. Now we'll dance a proper way. After dancing horribly, now I have decided to upload another poll. Actually, we are going to give 2 polls at once. So first of all, I am going out. So obviously, what I am going to wear. First poll: dress like I am going to a wedding or dress like I just woke up. And guess what? People has chose. People on my Instagram literally went crazy. They are very mean at this point. I can say whole day they just wanted me to suffer, and that's what happening. And now I have to wear something I wake up with. I'm not worried about the top. I'm worried about the bottom part. Anyways, let's find out what I wear. So guys, I'm smarter than I look, so I have decided to wear this. I'll show you. Before anybody comments that this is not you wear when you go to sleep, yes I do. I do wear a t-shirt, and also we live in Northeast, so the weather is kind of chill here. So whenever it is chill, I wear this pant and I wear a t-shirt. These days the weather is kind of chill because it's raining every day, so I don't look homeless. Because my mom is going with me and she will be so embarrassed, and I'm not even going to comb my hair. I'll just go like this. So we are literally stepping out of my house like this. Whatever I told, we are here. इवला इतना भी बुरी नहीं लग रही हूँ तो I can, मतलब मैं होमलेस जैसा घूर तो सकती हूँ ना, इतना भी बुरी तो नहीं लग रही हूँ. देखो मम्मी मुझसे ज़्यादा बुरी लग रही है आज तो. होमलेस. चप्पल भी मैंने अच्छा वाला नहीं पहना. ऑनेस्टली बताओ तो मैंने मुझसे भी ज़रा होमलेस इंसान यहाँ पे देखा है एक को, तो मुझे इतना बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा है ऐसे आने में. मतलब मैं तो बहुत ठीक ठाक से आई हूँ, मतलब मैं ठीक ठाक से ही रहती हूँ. When I stepped out of my house looking like this, I also did one more thing. I have posted another poll. I have asked if I ask a shopkeeper for a drink that he will suggest, or the weirdest snack I can find in a store. So now that घर में भी यहाँ में भी what the hell, अभी तक तो क्लियर हो चुका है they like me suffering, so I think they are choosing the weirdest snack. Look at the cute worker running around. 93% of the people has chose that I should try something weird. So let's get the weirdest snack here. यहाँ मैं weird snacks ढूंढने आई हूँ. मम्मी मुझे कपड़े खरीदने के लिए डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रही है. मम्मी को इतने अच्छे से टास्क समझाने का क्या ही मतलब. मम्मी अगर बर्तन ही देखे तो यहाँ पे आके भी अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला तो ये मम्मी की गलती है. So my mom have been complaining since we reached home. She thinks I have bought so much unnecessary things. नहीं অসমীয়াত নকবি, হিন্দিত কতে.
ये जाल तो मिस्टी, ये क्या चीज है? ये खाने वाला चीज है क्या?
हाँ देखो ना कितना सुंदर है.
ये सुंदर बुद्ध है, इसको देख के तो ये क्या है? ये अच्छा नहीं है.
In the whole departmental store, I just found few items that I think are weird. मैं करने गई थी weird challenge, but करके आई हूँ cheapest challenge. So this is my first weird drink or snack or whatever. The Ruskik lemon, और ये 6 रुपए का है guys, 6 रुपए का. We'll try this first. 6 रुपए का. लाइफ में मैंने 6 रुपए का इतना अच्छा वो कुछ तो पिया नहीं है. इनफैक्ट लिम्का, लाइनी लेमनी लिम्का से भी अच्छा टेस्ट करता है ये, बट ये 6 रुपए का है. 6 रुपीज ओनली. दिस इज वर्थ 6 रुपीज. एंड सेकेंड, मैं एक अनदर ड्रिंक ही लेके आई हूँ बिकॉज इट लुक्स वेरी वियर्ड. इसमें कुकुम्बर है, इसमें ऑरेंज है, इसमें एप्पल भी है. ये मुझे लगा वियर्ड लगेगा तो इसीलिए मैं लेके आई हूँ. Smells like medicine. Cheers. ये 30 रुपए का है और ये 6 रुपए का है. अगर कोई मुझे कंपेयर करने दे कि मैं इन दोनों में से कौन सा चूज करूंगी, I'll definitely go with this because this tastes like medicine as well. Ugo Libe लाई हूँ मैं कुछ तो. Let me tell you, this is not branded Mogu Mogu. This is Ugo Libe. Ugo Libe brand का है कुछ. Let me tell you why I bought this. Because This is not Mogu Mogu, this is Ugolibe brand. And secondly, last time when I brought a juice which looks very चुभने वाला, दूर से तुमको दिखेगा ये टेस्टी है, बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है, but it's actually not tasty. And I have been fooled with this thing again and again, because last time when I tried Pepper Boat's jamun flavor, when I saw it purple wrapping, and I thought it will be very tasty, let me buy it. It was like 70 or 80 bucks, and I was like, okay, it's expensive, so it will obviously taste good. So with that expectation, I bought this, and I hope it tastes bad. Not because I want to waste my money, because it will make this juice weird and it will make my video successful. Holy Jolly bhi likha hai. Shake and chill, more fun. Shake. We have to shake it, guys. Yeah, this also tastes horrible. This tastes worse than this. This is the most expensive. इसमें तुमको क्या पता चलता है, सबसे सस्ता वाला सबसे ज़्यादा टेस्टी होता है. एक्चुअली मैं कोकोनट का ढूंढ रही थी, बिकॉज वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड हैज़ टोल्ड मी दैट कोकोनट फ्लेवर पेपर बोट का बहुत ज़्यादा वियर्ड और घटिया टेस्ट करता है. सो मैंने ढूंढा बट मिला नहीं है मुझे, तो इसलिए मैंने ये उगुलबिलबे कुछ तो लिया था. सो नाउ कमिंग अप टू माई लास्ट एंड वियर्डेस्ट स्नैक. मुझे इतने बड़े स्टोर में यही एक सबसे वियर्ड स्नैक्स लगा है, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द पर्सन, yeah, maybe because of the person. Who is this person and who is this narcissist to put their face on this package? Look how big his nostrils are. I really find it really weird. The packaging is really weird. I don't know what's inside, so we are going to try it. We are going to smell it first, because why not? Ew. It is very masaledar. You can see how much masala is there by this. ये खाने में बुरा नहीं है. Yes, this is masaledar, but it's not that bad. Like you can have it with tea or anything. So you should not definitely judge the book by its cover. But I did judge the book by its cover. I should end the video by now, but let me give one more poll where I'm going to ask if I should end my day with a dessert or should I reveal an embarrassing secret from my life. Even in the last poll, I at least wish that the whole day you guys have tortured me so much that you guys will let me go in the last. Clearly you have not. Now I have to reveal an embarrassing secret, and now I'm just thinking what secret should I reveal, because there is so many embarrassing secret I have in my life, and which one should I start with? Oh, there is one actually, and not many people knows about it, so I'm going to reveal it, but it is also very embarrassing. So okay, when I was in class 9, I was selected for this Rajya Puraskar thing where you have to go camping for 5 days and do all the tasks given to you. And honestly, the camping was one of the best camping of my life. Everything was great unless and until I had to poop. Because where do I poop? So I asked my ma'am. My ma'am showed me the way. This is the way to poop. And there is actually a washroom. Do not worry. Even though it's a jungle, I don't know how there is a washroom. I did not even enter the washroom because the washroom was a real horror story. There was a rat dying inside and a disgusting smell. And then I decided that I will hold my poop for 5 days because my camp was for 5 days. So till the end of my camp, I did not poop in the campsite. I did not. And whenever I went to pee, I was just hoping God that I do not poop while I'm peeing. When I told this to my assistant head teacher when she came to pick us up, and she looked at me with such horror. And when I reached home, the first thing I did is not greet my mom and say I missed her or whatever. I straightly went inside my washroom and I stayed there for 1 hour, and that is the best poop of my life. You can say in the whole Rajya Puraskar journey, I was full of shit. It was a joke. So today I learned one thing. Never let your Instagram make decisions for me. Also, knowing myself, I would probably do it again. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye.